I've been going to the places where we used to meet before, 'cause lately I've been feeling so confused. We've gone our separate ways and never see her face to face, but in my dreams I'm always running back to you. So tell me why I'm tripping over lines drawn between you and I feel like such a fool. In my mind I've tried so many times to run away and hide from my memories with you. But when I close my eyes, you're there beside me on the beach that night. And when you say goodbye, it's still in my mind. Gotta find a way to stop thinking, even if you don't have to. I won't let go so easily. Wishful thoughts don't change the truth. So I don't know why I'm still in love with you. Won't make it through, but I don't know why I'm still in love with you. Having overthinking all the things I'd wanna say. If I saw you at the coffee shop we went to every day, thinking about thinking, but the words just never came. So I'm never going back, you wouldn't be there anyways. Listen to some music after thinking way too long, and I swear I never choose it, but I always hear your songs. Listen and I listen, I can't help but sing along, 'cause I'm just singing with you even if I know it's wrong. Run away from the things I'm feeling, I won't say it 'cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. I hate it, but I don't hate it. No, I don't want to be weird about it. All I want's to be clear with how it is. I know you're better off without me. Even if I miss you, I'll make sure you're not around me. 'Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since the day I left. And I don't wanna keep you close if I'm hurting you the most. I'll try to keep my distance from you for some time, 'cause I don't ever wanna be that guy. I've been writing lyrics just to try to pay the rent, but it's kinda hard for me to even make a couple cents. Writing and I'm writing, but I know that in the end it's just another dumb excuse to try to get you out my head. Take a break from writing and I lie out in my room, doing nothing isn't something that I usually like to do, 'cause nothing isn't nothing when I remember the truth. The reason I do anything's to get away from you. Run away from the things I'm feeling, I won't say it 'cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. Can't take it, but I don't hate it. No, I don't want to get in your way, but I won't lie, it's been hard for me to face it. But it don't matter if I'm hurting, if it makes you happier, then everything is worth it. 'Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming All I wanted was a bit of honesty, but you were fronting, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than friends, you went ahead and lied. Now I'm crashing, trying to get back on my feet, but it won't happen as long as you're still haunting me. So I'm writing all these songs to get you out